Subtle vintage texture works best when viewers feel it rather than notice it. Today, how to create subtle vintage speckles. Start Photoshop and create a new 1800 by 2400 canvas filled with a warm off-white tone. Add a new layer and fill it with 50% gray, then apply filter, noise, add noise at about 50% Gaussian monochromatic. Change blend mode to overlay so the speckles merge gently. Reduce opacity to around 40%. Duplicate the layer, rotate slightly, and lower opacity again so the pattern becomes more random. Apply Gaussian blur at roughly 0.7 pixels to soften harsh